What's up? This is my 1979 RX7 SA, and today we are going to be talking about it and just figuring some stuff out. Yeah, so here she is. She's a little rusty, as you can see, but we'll talk about what my plans are for it later in the future of this video. Yes, but it is a RX7, and it's pretty nice. I like it. This is the cheapest RX7, maybe. I don't know. Don't fact check me. But yeah, let's check out the engine real quick. All right, so this is how you open that engine bay, and this is a car. So you see this right here? You just grab it and pull. And then all you have to do is lift this like this, and then put that right there. But I can't really do that with no hands. So yeah. All right, now it is staying up. Yeah, here is the engine. It is a rotary. So still need to do like a bunch of research into it. But yeah, we're just talking about it today. It's a little beat up, but it's not bad. I like it. It'll be a fun project. And here's the other side of it. But yeah. So what I know I need so far is I need a battery. Once I get a battery, I can start diagnosing it. Here's a negative and positive cable. And yeah, the previous owner got a new radiator and rubber for it, so I won't have to worry about that for a while. And yeah, it'll be very, very fun. Yes, sir. All right, and then as you can see, like some like stuff that's hanging out. Need to figure that out and either fix that or replace the full thing. But here is the inside of it. Has some tears, but still need to clean it. It smells like mildew in here. But yeah, let's get in real quick. Oh, oh damn. And then you just boom. And it is a 5-speed manual. And it has 81,521 miles. And 3 pedals. 1, 2, 3. And yeah. It's needs some work in here. Those pieces are right there. But like I still need to figure out what exactly wrong with it, which is going to be the next episode. But yeah, it's my first car and first project car, and I'm really excited to continue working on it and doing this series. It's hopefully gonna get better because I'm like really, really bad at talking on camera. But yeah, it'll be fun. But like, what my plans are for this is I want to get it running, and then I want to figure out how to make it, like if there's a way to make it more fuel efficient and reliable, because I heard that there's a way to make it more reliable, because I am not trying to do 8 miles per gallon. That would be absolutely horrendous. But once I get it all finished and running and stuff like that, I want to do like a wrap on it, because it's like all beat up on the outside. Do a wrap, make it yellow, do a carbon fiber hood, because I feel like that'd be pretty nice. I'm doing some research into them, and they're only like 1,300. Yeah, only. But yeah, maybe do some wheels. Still trying to figure out if I want to do wheels for it or not. But yeah, it'll be pretty fun. But anyways, more of the interior. But yeah, here's that stuff. Yup. Yup. It still has a cassette player. Which actually, there are some cassettes in here. So that'll be pretty interesting. Oh, dang. Okay. Oh, dang. Okay, oh, yeah. Okay, I got it closed. There we go. And then, yeah, there's a little crack right here, but hopefully that won't be a problem. It also has the windows can roll down by this thing. But yeah, nice, nice. Also, another cool thing about it is this thing, it comes off, and right here, I have the glass for it, so I could have this as clear, or I could just completely take it off. But yeah, and yep, air freshener because it smells really bad. Well, not really bad, it smells like mildew, but yeah. So yeah, I need to go grab the keys because I forgot to grab them, and then I will open up the back, and then we can see what's back there. And yeah, there's some parts and the spare tire. But yeah, I'll be right back. All right, I got the keys. I just need to remember which one opens up the back. I'm gonna guess this one opens up the back. So to open the back, it's right here. Oh, I was right. First try. Let's go. And then this just opens up. And yeah, so here's the glass for it. There's a spare tire. And like it's a little dirty in here. I'll have to clean it out and clean it later. Yeah, here's like a box of parts and stuff like that. Thinking I don't really know what this is for, or like these pieces, but maybe they're for something. Well, obviously they're for something, but yeah, yeah, it's a little. I don't know what this goes to, but I'll figure that out eventually. And yeah, oh, you're upside down. Sorry. Um, this is pretty nice. And to close it, you just like that. There we go. And then it's closed and locked. But yeah, I also got a little rotor thing because it's a rotary. Pretty cool. And then like I'll show you how like obviously it's kind of like difficult to get in because there's these, but to get into passenger seat, you just get in. But oh, for this car, it surprisingly has quite a bit of room, which is very nice if you have tall people. I'm not that tall. I'm not that tall. I'm only 6'1". But yeah, I gotta figure out what everything does and pretty much how to do everything because I don't know anything about rotaries. And this is my first car, so it'll be very fun. And I am ready to be forever broke. It's a rotary, but very fun and worth it because it goes brah, 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 brah. I don't know. I'm sorry. So, so actually, you can see it better from this side. Like, yeah, this is all taken off, so you can see all like that stuff. This, like, if you know about like this type of car, it does not have power steering, but it's also like really light. Let me look that up real quick. Yeah, I just looked it up. It's 2,400 pounds, so yeah, really light. But yeah, it has 100 horsepower from the rotary engine. I just have to get it running. Well, not hopefully. It'll definitely be running eventually. So that'll be awesome. I can't wait for that to happen. It'll be such an awesome moment to finally like get this thing running. I would have said finally, but I just got it like not too long ago. But yeah, I'll be working on it and recording for you guys at home or wherever you are. But yeah, it'll be fun. I'm excited. And I've also like I suck at these vlog style things, so this is probably going to be like one of the worst ones you ever see. But hopefully throughout the process of filming and working on this car, I get better and improve. And any comments about what I could do better for the future, or if there's anything you would like to see, just like let me know in the comments or just message me through my Instagram. And yeah, it'll be fun. Very, very fun. Alright, if you guys want to know how to close the hood, basically just reverse do what you did to open the hood, like this. So first thing you want to do is take this out. I'm holding it with my shoulder, and then drop it like this, and then that is closed. That is how you close the hood of this RX7. Nice, nice. And yeah, this is the RX7. It's gonna be a very fun project. I'm excited. And don't expect this to be like you're gonna learn something, because I'm learning too. Well, you might learn something. I don't know. I'm gonna be learning along the way too. So yeah, it'll be fun. Hopefully we enjoy this. But yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna end it there. Hopefully this turns out to be a pretty decent video. Stay tuned for more updates and working on the car. The next episode will be out at some point, and it will be just diagnosing it, figuring out what works, what doesn't work, putting the battery in it, all that fun stuff. But yeah, it'll be very fun, very nice. So, see y'all later. Hope you enjoyed. Hopefully you don't unfollow and block me, or if you're not following and you want to see this car finished someday, subscribe.